Somebody else has pregnant cat.
Oh, dude.
I want somebody to have a pregnant cat.
Yeah, freshman. He might be taller than 6'6".
Yeah.
Troy Williams.
Misha just don't care. She just.
That dude is big.
I know that's right, girl. I know that's
Shut up.
every self. I know. Ew, when y'all put your skin off, I don't know. So all we doing is looking at the muscles today?
No, we're just skinning it.
I mean, I don't know.
I was about to say, I used to watch my uncle skin. I used to watch my uncle cut the head off the chicken and watch it run around.
I'm not taking all of them.
He didn't do that. Yeah, the first time I freaked out when I saw it. Yeah, I did it too, because I almost passed out. It was too much. Like, you never expect it was too long. Like, yo, look at this. Yeah, and he'll just be like, you want to see a chicken run? I'll be like, yeah. They'll just cut the head off and they keep running around.
So when you done, like the way.
Then they'll like put it on some skin or something and get all the skin off it. And then after that, lost it.
Monty! I'm going corn in the carpet!
No, my grandpa used to skin goats and shit, so I mean I should be able to do this, but.
I was about to say, 'cause you know,
Jamaican?
Brianna and them. You know what I'm talking about?
Wait, what? I'm sorry. What?
I was talking to you.
Oh, what's that?
You know Brianna Jeter?
Yeah, that's my baby. She related to Chris Brown.
Yeah, she that's my brother's girlfriend's sister.
What the hell?
My brother's girlfriend's sister. My brother has a girlfriend, and that's his.
Oh, I was about to say Sherman?
Nah, that's him.
She's funny.
Yeah, is that a vagina?
You want to see where they pee? They pee out of here.
I'm not afraid of Spider-Man.
Yeah.
That's vagina. Alright, so who's gonna record?
Are you recording? Are you about to put this on Twitter or something?
Dad can be.
Hey, look at this best extra cat.
Whoa. Oh, God.
They gotta do something. They gotta do something.
Prove them. Oh, y'all gonna pull the skin off?
Yeah. Oh, I cut the stomach.
Let me do it.
You gotta come on tape.
I Can somebody hold a tissue to my face while I do this?
Okay, get a napkin.
I can smell it.
Who's left-handed? You left-handed? You want to cut this out?
Oh, you scared me. I'm on this
She gonna get
I gotta get on camera.
Okay. What is that called? That's connecting the skin to the muscle.
Let them explain. Okay.
And we have adipose tissue. Now be careful on the belly. That's where it's real thin. Now there's probes that you can use to help get some of that. Where the probe?
Oh, the scalpel joint?
No, not the scalpel. The probe. Yeah.
Who that is?
To help get some of that.
Look. Yeah, I see you pulling that skin off. Hold on, let me, I'm like, pull like.
It's not that bad once you start.
I done helped y'all out. I started y'all out. I took a shower and changed my whole outfit after this show. Whoever's meowing in my ear, I'm about to jail the fuck out of you.
Hey, watch your mouth. Yes.
I had a personal moment. Stop!
Look, leave them alone. Alright, yeah. You got probes. There you go. Y'all are.
Y'all going. Just pull it. Don't worry about the balls break.
I helped y'all out. Yeah. You gotta get that. That's fat. It's not skin, it's fat. Yeah, where that joint at? I don't know mine on that. What? This is high school memories. Okay, we get to college.
I think that's what that is.
Okay, what?
That part down there is nasty. But it's all good.
Y'all are going ruthless. First they keep smart, now they too big.
They close.
Yeah, so before you know it.
What's that?
You take all the skin off from the back? Yeah, the head.
What? Oh. Y'all don't be talking in code link? Oh, yeah, that's what I thought it was. Like when there's a fight, you'll be like, 64, 63, scramble. What?
Scramble.
Like my cat. Y'all wrong.
This is funny. Is this a vagina that I'm touching right now?
Like, ooh, damn.
Oh, that is.
If it is, it's not.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what the low being too.
That's nasty as fuck.
Low being too. It is nasty.
Alright,
Good job, Aviana. I want to try. No, you don't. I mean, hold on. Why don't you cut that? Can we just cut the toe out? But it's bothering me. It's not. It has no purpose. I can't get this off.
Yeah, I just started that off of y'all. I'm gonna just start them off. No, I mean, no, I'm gonna just start them off. Oh, we didn't cut the back of the neck. That's what we messed up at. Really? Uh-huh.
You got cut all the way around.
Oh, I did enough cutting. We did
How far did
30
you cut it?
Yo, I'm not gonna be the only one touching the thing on camera. I touched this cat for about 30 minutes
I
straight.
touched the whiskers. That's
She
enough.
said she had it.
Oh, they done flipped it over.
Because we gotta cut the back.
Oh, I was saying y'all got the belly already.
Oh,
They
yeah.
didn't have a chance at like.
Alright, I can't do that. Oh, excuse me.
Well,
I'm done, y'all. I done did my part for the day. I got my ass. Can I take my gloves off?
Oh my! Oh, I thought she was somebody. Y'all cat is
We don't want to touch this right here.
Right.
Okay.
You want to touch under this?
Oh my God, I'm gonna throw it. What do you want me to just correct?
What's that?
You don't want to do it no more. Is that correct?
Yes, you got.
What is your group? They cut his throat open and just stitch him up.
Y'all did most of it.